D is equal to the absolute value of 2 times negative 2 plus 4 times 5 plus negative 3 all over the square root of 2 times 2 plus 4 times 4. To simplify it, 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4. 4 times 5 is equal to 20 minus 3 all over 2 squared is equal to 4 and 4 squared is equal to 16. Negative 4 plus 20 minus 3 is equal to 13 and 4 plus 16 is equal to square root of 20. Since 20 is not a perfect square, we will find two factors and the factors are 4 and 5. 4 is a perfect square, so it will become 2 square root of 5. 13 over 2 square root of 5 should be rationalized. We must multiply it to 2 square root of 5 over 2 square root of 5. 13 times 2 square root of 5 is equal to 26 square root of 5. And 2 square root of 5 times 2 square root of 5 is equal to 20. We must get the simplest form of 26 square root of 5 over 20. And it will become 13 square root of 5 over 10. 13 square root of 5 over 10 is the distance.